and welcome to Cooking Good with Althea. Today we will be making our highly anticipated breadfruit salad. Now we will normally roast and fry a breadfruit, but today we will be boiling our breadfruit and making it into a salad, just like you would make a potato salad. It's very good. So our main ingredients, it will be our breadfruit. Our breadfruit straight from Jamaica. And we will be using some mixed vegetable, sweet relish. Also, I chose to use a purple onion just to give it some color. The choice of mayonnaise will be yours, because you could either use your real mayonnaise or a vegan spread. If you're a vegetarian, you could always go ahead and use a vegan spread. You can use your eggs. It's an option. Like I said, if you're a vegetarian, you could take this away from the mix. And we could use some peppers to give it another color. Whatever you normally use in making a potato salad, you could do the same for a breadfruit salad. It's the same result. The breadfruit has the same texture of a potato and the same taste. Well, the breadfruit sometimes, depending on the nature, might carry a little sweeter taste, but it is very good. We've been making this for years and our friends keep coming back for more, so try it. So I will be cutting my breadfruit open and struggle. Okay, there it is. This is a nice, lovely breadfruit.
Yes.
Have some nice yellow color. So we'll go ahead, cut in portions so it will be easier to peel. I could make another cut. You'll go ahead and peel the outer part of the breadfruit. Then this is the heart. We'll cut the heart out. Use the bigger knife. Cut this out. Okay, so we'll take the heart out. Then you'll go ahead breadfruit. Wow, then you'll go ahead and cut in cubes. I've washed my breadfruit, so now I will be putting them into our boiling water. It's already salted. I use like a tablespoon of salt. We'll add them to the boiling water and cook for like 15-20 minutes until it's nice and tender. Not mushy, but tender, chewable. Today we're opting eggs. We're not using eggs today, but you could go ahead and use eggs if you like. However you make your potato salad, you can make the breadfruit salad the same way. We are not using any celery as well because I don't like the taste of celery. So you could use whatever you use in your regular potato salad. I will be using like 2 cups of mixed vegetable. I'll go ahead and cook these in a separate pot. Salted water, boiling water, cook for like 7 minutes. So now our breadfruit is nicely cooked and tender. I remove the excess water from the pot and I am now going to put it into my bowl. So we'll put into our bowl. And then I will go ahead first and add my mixed vegetables. Mixed vegetables. I'll turn it over a little bit. Then we'll add our onions. I used half of the onions here and 1/4 of each the bell peppers. See, we have some nice colors. The color is good. It's all about the taste and color. I will also go ahead and add our sweet relish. You could also use sweet peas if you like. Remember at the top of the video I told you whatever you normally would put in your potato salad, you could go ahead and do the same. It's just that you will be using a breadfruit instead of potato. So I have here a bottle of sweet relish. I will use about half or 3/4 of the bottle to give us that sweet, tangy taste. I'm actually going to use all of my sweet relish. So I'll stir it in again, fold it in. I'm folding everything in. Now for our mayonnaise. But today I will be using the vegan spread. The fact that we're just coming off of our Daniel fast, we're taking our time to break back into regular eating. So I will be using the vegan spread today, but yes, you can use your real mayonnaise. And this is like half of a bottle of the vegan spread that I have. So I'm folding everything in. There you have it, the highly anticipated breadfruit salad. Looking lovely. Okay, friends, remember we opted out on not using the eggs. You can always use whatever you normally would put in your potato salad, but we did not use any egg or celery today. But whatever you like to make your salad taste nice. This is breadfruit salad. So we'll take a taste of our salad.
Yeah, let me taste a little bit.
You can keep it cool. It's nicer after being placed in the refrigerator. Here, taste a little bit.
I like mine nice and warm.
Tastes good, right?
Very good. Very good.
Excellent, excellent. I'm telling you, it's really good. When I first tried it, I was surprised, but it's good. So now it was nice being with you once again, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.